Myself, Mrs. Subi Basil, Medical Surgical Nursing 1, Unit 13, Systemic Lupus Erythematosus. Definition: Systemic lupus erythematosus is a chronic multi-system inflammatory disease of autoimmune etiology. Means, what is systemic lupus? Otherwise, SLE. Okay, it is a chronic multi-system inflammatory disease. Means एक सिस्टम में नहीं है, दो तीन सिस्टम में इन्फ्लेम होता है, and that is a chronic process. Okay, because of autoimmune etiology. Means हमारा इम्यून सिस्टम का जो प्रॉब्लम है वो. ठीक है. etiology is unknown. Means reason, cause is unknown. Genetic, environmental and hormonal factors play an important role in its development. May be because of genetic, environmental and hormonal factors. Clinical manifestation. What all are the sign and symptoms? Most commonly it affects the skin and muscle, lining of the lungs, the heart, nerve system, nerve tissues and kidney. Mostly it affects on skin, muscle, lining of the lungs, heart and nervous tissue and kidney. What is the sign and symptoms? Fever, weight loss, anorexia, okay, vomiting sensation, malaise, weakness and systematic polyarthritis generally present in case of SLA. Special क्या है? Polyarthritis means one or more joints में inflammation. Diagnostic test: blood test, anti-DNA antibody. Second, ESR. Third, CBC. Fourth, urine analysis. Fifth, kidney biopsy. Medical management: NSAIDs, non-steroid anti-inflammatory drugs, mainly aspirin. Anti-malarial drugs, hydroxychloroquine administered for the treatment of fatigue and joint pain. Corticosteroids can be given. Immune suppressive drugs such as Imuran and cyclophosphamide may be prescribed. Nursing management: use of sunscreen. While going out, we have to use sunscreen. Wear loose full sleeves clothing when patient has to go out of doors. Means full sleeve dress have to wear. For fatigue, evaluate the patient's ability for carrying out activities. पेशेंट को वीकनेस है तो क्या देखना है? पेशेंट को डे बाय डे मीन्स सेल्फ केयर एक्टिविटीज़ कैसा करते हैं, डेली एक्टिविटीज़, हाउ मच ही कैन डू, दैट वी हैव टू assist the patient in carrying out activities of daily living. Means daily activities कितना कर सकते हैं वो देखना है. Encourage the patient to take frequent rest periods among activities. Means activities करने के बीच में patient को rest देना है. Advise the patient to use non-pharmacologic technique for pain management. Patient को बोलना है हमेशा pain है तो analgesics के ऊपर depend नहीं करना, दूसरा pain management activities भी करना है. Use aseptic technique while carrying out activities. Activities करने का time क्या करना है? Aseptic technique. Aseptic technique I have already teached in first year fundamental of nursing. So I think everybody is aware about that. Aseptic technique while doing activities. Why? If we are not using the aseptic technique, if the patient got injured, then what is happening? It will get inflamed immediately. Okay. Otherwise get infection as soon. Advise the patient regarding proper intake of nutrition and importance of hand washing. We have to encourage the patient for the good intake of nutrition and explain the patient about, advise the patient teaching about hand washing, importance of hand washing.